Hi beautiful people, welcome back to this channel where I teach about everything oyster mushrooms. So today I'm going to show you the process of packing. When your substrate has finished fermenting and you let it drain and all the water has drained out, you need to start packing your substrate into those plastic bags. So you first tie one end of the bag, you make sure it is tight, and then you are going to start filling the bag with the substrate that has already drained and has no water in it. It has fermented for about a week plus. You can do minimum a week or maximum 2 weeks. Make sure you compress it so that it is packed together. Don't just pour things inside and they are not packed together. No, you have to make sure they are packed. The substrate is packed together. You put it, you compress it, you compress it into that plastic polythene bag. Guys, I've always told you that this is a business you can do in the comfort of your home if you have space, if you love it, and if you have passion for it. It is something where when customers get to know you, where suppliers, people that supply to supermarkets, people in the markets get to know you, they can order from you in the comfort of your home. Something you can do at your own pace, no pressure. So if you want to learn how to make oyster mushroom gardens, there's my number in the bio. Look for my number and WhatsApp me. Send me a WhatsApp message and get straight to the point. I'll be sure to answer you. So I was still filling that garden slowly so that you people see how you're supposed to pack the garden so that it is, together. Yeah, so if you've been procrastinating, thinking about this business, thinking it is too hard, please, there is no business that is easy. As long as you have passion for something and you're ready to learn, don't hesitate to contact us and we'll schedule a time for you to come and learn. If you want gardens that are already done and you don't want to go through this whole process, still we can provide gardens for you on order. Some of you call us and, hello Wendy, can I get 500 gardens? Can I get 300 gardens? We never have gardens just seated right there waiting. Or if they are just there and maybe we're going to put them in our grow house, they are not that many. They are not 500, they are not 1,000. If you want that many gardens, you need to order them and be patient. As you can see, I'm showing you the different process that goes into making these gardens. It is not a joke. It is tiresome. It takes time. It needs patience. Sometimes it rains and you cannot do what I'm doing right now. So, you have to be patient. You may say, where is she getting the substrate from? I'm going to show you exactly where the substrate is, where I'm getting it from. You are going to see it. And this substrate has already fermented and it has already fermented for some time and all the water has been drained. That's how the substrate looks. Guys who are new to this is not sand, this is not dust, this is substrate that has fermented. Then after you've packed, do you see how I've packed my garden? That is how you need to pack it and then tie it tightly. After tying it tightly, these are the gardens that we sterilize. Yes, that is also another part, but this is the part of the packing, how you need to tie it so well, so tight and so packed. Anyway, guys, that's all I had to share with you today. Let me hope you've learned, and that's how our garden looks. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.